Thank you for HeyDude99, the lamest channel on YouTube. There it is. The world's largest Pysanka, Ukrainian Easter egg. It is a feat of engineering technology that has been part of the Canadian prairies for many years. I haven't been here for 4 decades. This thing's amazing though. It's incredible. Shout out to the Ukraine. Canada has a Ukrainian population of over 1.4 million. So run those Ruski bastards out of there. That's what we say around here. Look at the size of this thing. And of course, no Alberta town can be complete without a caboose. It's a beautiful place here. Bakerville's a happening town these days. Lovely little park. And there it is. I rode 200 kilometers on my little beast to get here. I took the long way, of course. I always like to. Back roads, side roads, through the countryside. It's beautiful here in the fall in Alberta.